Are you looking into streaming and you're not sure which platform to stream on? Well, if so, stay tuned. What is going on, guys? Chad here from How To Tech, the channel dedicated to helping you take your tech to the next level. And in this video, we're going to be breaking down the pros and cons of each streaming platform and try to help you figure out which platform you want to stream on. So let's go ahead and jump into this. All right, so starting off first, one thing that you might be asking yourself is, are there really pros and cons to streaming on different platforms? And yes, there definitely are, and certain platforms might work better for you. And the landscape of the streaming platforms is changing significantly with brand deals, with partnerships with certain platforms, and things that we've never seen up until just the last few years. There are tons of things influencing this market that might impact your decision of which platform you feel like you should be streaming on. So which platforms would I recommend over the others? And let's go ahead and kind of talk about that. One platform that I recommend right now, Twitch, is king, but Twitch also is not as discoverable as other platforms, which is a reason why if you're a new streamer or you don't have an already fan base kind of established, that might not be the place for you to stream. YouTube, on the other hand, is a platform that's actually fairly stagnant in its growth on the streaming community, but they are making more and more brand deals with some of these YouTubers to hopefully bring in more viewership. They've also went ahead and made partnerships with Blizzard and Activision to go ahead and bring esports to YouTube. And these things are fairly big for the streaming market, which means more and more people's attention are going to be leveraged towards YouTube's live streaming platforms. And YouTube has also went ahead and stated that they are making more of a play to bringing YouTube's live features more of an more of an integral part of, or a more in-depth, marriage between YouTube's actual video platform and the gaming side as well, because live streams aren't as easy to find on certain devices whenever it comes to YouTube. With that being said, I don't know if Facebook gaming is going to see the growth that we would need to rank it up there with the big guys such as YouTube and Twitch. The last on this list that I would suggest would actually be Mixer. And there are tons of reasons why I would love to suggest Mixer. I think the community aspects of Mixer are great. I think a ton of the things that they are doing are awesome and should be implemented. And other streaming platforms are starting to cherry pick things that they like and integrate those as well. But the problem that I see with Mixer is they have signed big names such as Ninja and Shroud, and they are starting to sign other streamers as well. And we're still not seeing that pie graph of the percentage of where, live streamers are getting their viewers from. So who's watching which platforms more is essentially what I'm getting at. If more people are watching live streams on Twitch and, YouTube, and the growth is actually going to Facebook gaming as opposed to Mixer, which has made these supposedly multi-million-dollar contracts with these big streamers, and we're still not seeing the growth, then that's kind of showing that these platforms, in a sense, are not really receiving the growth that they need. And for you to suggest, or for me to suggest, a platform to you and say you should dedicate your time to them, we want to see some positive growth, or we want to see those platforms holding steady with the percentage amount of viewers in the ecosystem of live streaming. So all right, guys, that's going to be all for this video. If you enjoyed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that like button. Get subscribed if you haven't already. And if you want to, check out our community Discord linked down below. If you want to support this channel financially, there's also a Patreon link as well. No pressure there at all. Just want to go ahead and state this is definitely an opinionated type video, and these are more of talking points than, so these are all opinionated. So take them as they are and leave your pros and cons of each platform down below. This has been Chad from How To Tech, helping you take your tech to the next level, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.